Guys, welcome to Hardest Info channel. Today I have Realme GT6 and I want to show you how to add event to your calendar on this device. First step to do it is opening Google Chrome Google Calendar application, and there we must change view for a month to be easily to add and tap on the day when we want to add our event, maybe 24th of April. There this plus icon, event, and first we can add title of our event. There we can set when add this event to our group on Gmail. In this part you can set when event starts and finish, on which time, or we can set it will be all day by switch on. Repeat of that if we need it. You can add this event to people calendar. You can make video conference when event starts, add location of that notification, maybe today before at 9, and you can add more than one. There we can change color of our notification in calendar, description and attachment to that. You mustn't add everything, but when you have all you need, we press save and we have it in our calendar. That's all, thanks for watching, bye!